Hey everyone, are you still spending hours editing videos manually? Stop. In 2025, AI tools can help you create viral short-form videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels in minutes. No skills needed. Today, I'll show you 8 amazing AI tools to make captivating videos fast. From adding captions to creating avatars, we'll cover every step in detail. Perfect for beginners. Grab a coffee and let's make viral content together. Creating viral videos is easier than ever with these 8 AI tools. They'll save you time and make your content shine. I'll guide you through each tool with super clear steps, so even total beginners can create like pros. Let's jump in. Tool 1. Submagic. Add captions and effects. Submagic makes short videos pop with AI-powered captions, B-rolls, zooms, and sound effects in just 3 minutes. Here's how. Go to submagic.co and sign up for a free trial with your email. Takes 30 seconds. Upload a short video clip, aim for 15 to 60 seconds, MP4 format, from your phone or computer. Submagic's AI scans it, adds animated captions with trendy fonts, removes awkward silences, and inserts zooms or sound effects like whoosh for impact. In the editor, tweak caption colors, try yellow for visibility, adjust font size, or add B-rolls from Submagic's library like dancing cats for fun vibes. Click download to save your video. It's perfect for TikTok or Reels. Pro tip: keep captions short for max engagement. Link in the description to try it. Tool 2. HeyGen. Create AI avatars. HeyGen creates marketing videos with realistic AI avatars that speak your script, ideal for intros or ads. Here's how. Visit Hagen.com and sign up for a free plan. 3 videos per month, no credit card needed. Browse the avatar library or upload a high-resolution photo, at least 1080p, to create a custom avatar. Think of virtual you. Write a short script like "Join my fitness challenge," under 100 words for free plans. Select a voice like warm female or confident male, and choose a background, such as a modern office. Click Generate, and HeyGen delivers your video in 2 to 5 minutes.
Join my fitness challenge.
Pro tip: use clear pronunciation in scripts for better lip sync. Link in the description. Tool 3. Opus Clip. Repurpose long videos. Opus Clip turns long YouTube videos or podcasts into short, viral clips for social media. Here's how. Sign up at opus.pro for a free plan. 60 minutes of video per month. Paste a YouTube URL, example, your 30-minute vlog, or upload a file, MP4 or MOV. Opus Clip's AI analyzes the video, picks engaging moments, like funny quotes, and creates 15 to 60-second clips with auto captions, emojis, and B-rolls like scenic drone shots. Review the clips in the dashboard, edit captions for clarity, example, fix typos, and download in 9:16 for TikTok or Shorts. Pro tip: focus on clips with strong hooks. Links in the description. Tool 4. Veed All-in-One. Editing. Veed is a beginner-friendly AI editor for polished videos, no experience needed. Here's how. Go to veed.io and sign up for a free account with Google or email. Upload a video, under 10 minutes for free plans, MP4 works best. Use AI tools. Auto subtitles for instant captions, background removal to add a beach backdrop, or noise suppression for crisp audio. Pick a template from the social media section, like Instagram Reels Glow, and customize text or colors. Click Export to download. Free exports may have a watermark, but paid plans remove it. Pro tip: use bold fonts for subtitles. Link in the description. Tool 5. vsub.io. Faceless videos. Fast vsub.io creates faceless videos from text prompts in seconds. Great for shy creators. Here's how. Visit vsub.io and sign up for a free account. No payment info required. In the prompt box, type something like "funny cat video with upbeat music and neon captions." VSub's AI pulls royalty-free stock footage, adds animated captions, and generates a 15 to 30-second video. Preview it, swap music for a pop track if needed, or adjust caption timing for punchy delivery. Click Download and post on Instagram or TikTok. Pro tip: use specific prompts for better results. Link below to start. Tool 6. Asa AI Animated Shorts. Asa AI makes vibrant animated short videos with AI, perfect for storytelling. Here's how. Sign up at asa.ai with your email for a free trial. Select an animation style like cartoon or 3D minimalist, learn from the dashboard. Enter a script or prompt, such as a dancing robot in a futuristic city, 15 seconds. Asa's AI generates a colorful video with characters, music, and transitions. Edit colors, example, make the robot blue, or speed in the editor, then download an MP4. Pro tip: short scripts, 20 to 30 words, work best. Link in the description. Tool 7. Video Leap. Mobile editing. Video Leap is an AI-powered mobile editor for creating videos on the go. Here's how. Download Video Leap from videoleapapp.com or your app store, iOS or Android. Upload a clip from your gallery, try a 20-second clip. Apply AI effects like cinematic zoom or vibrant filters, and add auto captions with a tap. Choose a bold font like Impact. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok or Reels. Tweak music from the library and tap Export for HD. Pro tip: save drafts to edit later. Link in the description. Tool 8. Revid. Text-to-video magic. Revid turns text prompts into social media videos, no filming required. Here's how. Sign up at revid.ai for a free trial. Limited videos per month. Type a detailed prompt, like travel vlog intro with beach vibes, upbeat music, and bold text. Revid's AI creates a 15 to 30-second video with stock visuals, voiceovers, and sound effects. In the preview, edit text placement, example center captions, or swap music for a tropical beat. Click Download for YouTube Shorts or Instagram. Pro tip: add keywords like trending to prompts. Link below. That's it! You now know 8 AI tools: Submagic, HeyGen, Opus Clip, Veed, VSub.io, Asa AI, Video Leap, and Revid. Ready to create viral videos in minutes. No more hours of editing. Try these tools to make TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels that pop. All links are in the description. Which tool will you try first? Comment below. If this helped, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.